We used to do things the traditional way. We had a craft show booth, we filled it with beautiful pre-made products, then we'd wait and wait and wait and hope the perfect customer walked by, found something they loved, and decided to buy it. Sound familiar?
But after giving it some serious thought, some late night back and forth, battling over what we should do, along with some tequila, we decided it was time to try something different. So along with our pre-made grab-and-go items, we started bringing our WeCreat Lumos Flex to our booth. We would create personalized products for customers right there while they watched.
And that's when everything shifted for us. People started gathering around to watch the process. They were fascinated by what the machine could do, and once they saw the personalization happening in real time, they started buying. It became one of those aha moments for our business.
The WeCreat Lumos Flex isn't just a laser cutter and engraver. It can become a profitability engine for your business. It's almost like having a little money-making machine right at your fingertips. We know what some of you might be thinking.
How could I possibly do laser cutting and engraving inside a building with customers all around? Wouldn't the fumes and smell become a problem?
Nope, because the WeCreat Air Guard Cube pairs perfectly with the Lumos Flex. Instead of allowing smoke, dust, and that unmistakable stinky burning smell to float around your booth or shop, the Air Guard Cube pulls it all in. It traps unwanted particles inside multiple layers of filters, so the air coming out the other side stays clean and fresh.
The Air Guard Cube fits right on your table without taking up a lot of space, and it's surprisingly quiet. It doesn't sound like a jet engine while it's running, which is especially important when you're trying to create a calm and pleasant environment for your customers.
The filters last for months before they need to be replaced, so you're not constantly worrying about changing them. The Air Guard Cube makes selling personalized, made on the spot products much safer and I guess more enjoyable for both you and your customers.
Let's talk about the machine itself, because this little laser is powerful. It isn't just one laser. It has two lasers built into one machine, a 15-watt fiber laser and a 15-watt diode laser. That means you can engrave jewelry right on the spot, and we can also create personalized wood ornaments while customers wait.
And when customers see that process happening right in front of them, they become completely captivated. The Lumos Flex weighs, I guess, about 6 pounds. So it's actually pretty easy to pack in your car and take with you. Yeah, we know it's small, but it can convert into a handheld laser. This will allow you to customize larger products like cutting boards. And for even more flexibility, it can run off a portable power station. So it's not a requirement to have a booth with electricity and those extra charges. I mean, how cool is that?
Right? The ability to personalize products while customers wait is huge. You can engrave a name or monogram a metal pet tag in under 30 seconds. Let's do the math on that. If you sell that tag for $15 and it takes about 30 seconds to engrave, you could create around 8 pieces an hour. That's potentially $120 an hour from just one product. Look, we know that sounds like a theoretical max, but it really highlights the earning power you're working with here.
Think about the marketing aspect. When you're doing it live, you're not just making a sale, you're also creating a demonstration. One person stops to watch, and then another person notices. Before you know it, you've got this crowd that begins to form. And you know, a crowd draws a bigger crowd. And suddenly you've turned your browser shopping into a buyer, and a buyer into a walking, talking billboard for your booth.
And that's the power of live personalization. Now, engraving keychains, necklaces, and dog tags is fantastic, but the WeCreat Lumos can do so much more than that. You can use it to deep engrave metal, slate, rock, and wood.
I mean, we're talking about true 3D relief engraving, like pieces with real depth that you can run your thumb across and feel. And because the engraving is so deep and detailed, it can last for years. It's like a coin. That tactile experience is something customers really notice. They can see it, they can touch it, and they can immediately understand the value. But here's the thing. Deep engraving like that isn't going to happen in 30 seconds. It takes time, a lot of time. I mean, sometimes upwards of 5 hours.
So this is where you need a slightly different strategy. Instead of trying to create those larger, more detailed pieces at your booth, make some stunning samples at first. Bring those samples with you to display them and use them to take pre-orders.
Customers can see and feel that incredible depth, and they'll fall in love with the product and place their order before you even started the actual work. That's a great way to sell more time-intensive projects without keeping customers waiting at your booth.
And here's another exciting option. You can add to your order form that WeCreat Lumos Flex can color engrave stainless steel business cards, keychains, and so much more. That gives your customers another personalized product to choose from and gives you one more way to grow your offerings.
Running a craft fair booth or an in-store shop is wonderful, but now you don't have to limit yourself to direct-to-customer sales. With the slider attachment, your work area increases by 4 times. That gives you room to create larger orders, including like 50-piece order and a much bigger workspace.
And with camera batch fill, you can automatically align all 50 items without making any manual adjustments for every single piece. A job that may have taken days to set up can be completed in like hours.
And that opens the door to business partnerships with, I don't know, like restaurants, real estate agents, contractors, and so many other businesses. And this can become a recurring revenue lane, a steady stream of income instead of relying only on one-time customer purchases. And then when you pair the slider with the rotary attachment, you can even reach out to sporting groups and offer personalized tumblers.
That's right. Tumblers, larger orders, and deep engraving projects will take a little more time to complete. And that's exactly why having an order form available can be so helpful. Don't let the time it takes to create a project stop you from making the sale. If it can't be completed while the customer waits, take that order, set the expectations, and create it afterwards.
Now let's talk about value, because this part really surprised me. The Lumos Flex costs just a little more than a basic entry-level dual material laser. But for that slightly higher investment, you get a much wider range of professional capabilities, especially the ability to engrave metal with the fiber laser. It can hold its own against machines that cost $1,000 more, but without requiring the same level of upfront investment. That means you may be able to reach your break-even point much faster.
And that's what makes this such an interesting investment. If personalization is already part of your business, or if it's an area you've been wanting to grow, the WeCreat Lumos Flex could potentially pay for itself one craft fair at a time. That's a powerful opportunity.
We've included links to the WeCreat Lumos Flex, the slider attachment, the rotary attachment, and the air guard cube in the description below. Hopefully this gave you a few ideas for using the Lumos Flex to grow your craft fair booth, your shop, or even your business-to-business offerings.
And if you have any tips or tricks for selling personalized products, leave them in the comments below. We love hearing what you're creating and what's working for you. We hope this sparks some inspiration for your next project.
Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out. We drop new videos all the time. Well, she does.
Thanks for spending part of your day with us. Go have some fun being creative.